Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Project Playtime on mobile, right? So basically, you have to just go to the here any of the browser. So I will just choose this Brave browser, and on the search bar, you have to type download Project Playtime and just hit the enter, right? And basically, you can just download from the Steam, but this is for the PC, I guess. So here you can see that you can download Project Playtime apk, right? So apk is basically you have to just install in your phone. So just click on here, and after that you have to click on this download option, right? So here on the you have to just click on download apk, and it will get downloaded in just a few seconds, right? So just let me allow this here, and here you can see that it's getting downloaded. So it will just take a few seconds, and here if you want to download the other old version, you can download it. So just click on here, and after that it will just take a few seconds and download it anyway. And here you can see that it's getting downloaded, and after downloaded you can just install it, right? So after downloading you have to just click like this, and here it will says that do you want to install this Project Playtime, and you have to click the install, and after that it will get installed in your phone. So this is pretty easy guys. If you found this video really informative and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.